Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth video of our Blender tutorial series. In this exercise, we will create a cloud out of the default cube. It is not always necessary to use cube to create a cloud model, but we are using it for understanding things. I will add a cube first. Shift A, Mesh, Cube. Now I will add an empty volume. Shift A, Volume, Empty. I can hide the cube now. At the moment, we cannot see the volume as it is empty. Go to Modify Properties tab and click on Add Modifier. Here we have got two options, Mesh to Volume and Volume Displacement. Choose Mesh to Volume. And here in the object, left click and choose Cube. Now we can see a volume object being applied to the model. We can play around the volume density for thickness. I will have 2 here. In voxel amount, I will add some 64. You can see that the border has been reduced. It's like the maximum range of splattering. The shape of volume will change as per the shape of the cube. For your understanding, I will add some changes to the cube. I will bring back the cube. Go to Edit Mode. Add a loop cut. And change the shape a little. Hide the cube. Now we can see that the shape of the volume is maintained as per the selected object. Now I will go back to object mode. Come over and click on volume. Here, to add more detail to the volume, we can add some extra modifier. Click on Add Modifier and choose Volume Displace. Here, click New and choose Show Texture in Texture tab. Here in Type, just click and select Clouds. We can try more textures and choose whatever is appropriate. You can also change color and even change size and other properties. So just play around. And we have our cloud here.